I'm going to show you a feature about aligning objects that you might not be aware of. I'll hold down the mouse button and drag to select all the objects. Then I'll go up to the Shape Format tab and I'll choose Align. Now notice at the bottom there are two options, Align Selected Objects and Align to Slide. So my first example will show you how when we align objects, it's only based off the selected objects. So I'll choose Align Middle. I'll go back, I'll choose Align Top, and then I'll choose Align Bottom. Now I'll move to the second slide. I'll select these objects. I'll go back up to Shape Format, go back to Align, and this time I'll tell it to align to the slide. Now when I go back to the same options, Align Middle, notice it aligns it in the middle of the slide. If I choose Align Top, it aligns them at the top of the slide. And if I choose Align Bottom, it aligns them at the bottom of the slide.